Happy
anniversary.
BJA,
The National Center on Restorative Justice, loves working
With
you.
I love the work that BJA does and the way it has a real impact on people in our communities throughout our nation, and particularly the impact on those most vulnerable populations within our country.
If I had to think of like one word, and it's at the federal level and the local level, is and it's innovation. BJA allowed for innovation in our justice system across the country.
To me, the mission that is broad but succinct in BJA, along with the staff, is what is its legacy. And so that, to me, is what all the folks at BJA, DOJ, and Congress should be most proud of when they created it 40 years ago.
BJA funding allows us to offer training, on-demand learning, and webinars on a wide range of topics. In 2024 alone, BJA funding enabled us to provide training to more than 4,800 people.
BJA has a special place in my heart because of the scope of work that BJA is able to do, its commitment and values for supporting states, tribal, local jurisdictions, and making sure that they have the resources and support that they need to have the safest communities possible.
In 1996, Congress enacted the Local Law Enforcement Block Grant Program, which was a $500 million grant program. The staff really stepped up and did a tremendous job. We got the money out in 4 months, and I think that the fact that the legislation provided that the program be administered by BJA was itself a testament to BJA's capabilities in terms of grant programs.
So one thing I'd like to say about our involvement with the Bureau is they listen very carefully to the local jurisdiction's needs and interests and to build their resources around locally driven needs and interests.
What is unique about BJA is how we operate as a team. BJA has the policy, programs, PSOB, operations, and the Office of the Director, all of which have a vital role in delivering and making sure BJA is successful in implementing our mission.
BJA is an invaluable resource for criminal justice professionals and law enforcement agencies, and I hope they continue to listen to those in the field in order to better understand and help provide what is needed.
I look at the Bureau of Justice Assistance and the Office of Justice Programs, and the people there are some of the best kept secret in the federal government.
I came to BJA with the hopes to be in a position to really support the field in applying evidence-based practices and making data-driven decision-making. And I've been really excited because that's what I've been able to do at BJA.
My hope is that BJA continues to advocate and listen to those in the field. I think they are a voice within the Department of Justice and in the federal government.
One of the greatest benefits of working at BJA is our ability to have a bird's eye view of what's going on throughout the country, what's working, what's not working, and being able to replicate what is working throughout the country and the agencies and communities that we support.
The legacy has been built and continues to build upon the programs that came before, and in many cases the leaders that came before, and the programs that Congress funded at BJA.
Through BJA and the work that we do and the amazing staff that we have, we're really able to touch and provide support to states, localities, and tribes really on any problem statement that they have and where they want to make improvements in their criminal justice systems.
My hopes for BJA is that it continues to put a spotlight on peer work and the importance of treatment for substance use disorders. Looking forward to what BJA has in store in the future, and I hope to continue to be a part of it.
It's nice to be able to tell people that we are an organization that is responsive, focused on the field, looking for the right outcomes. But it's one thing to say it, but it's another thing to live it. And I can tell that we're living it here at BJA.